Hey, what's up, guys? I just broke a box of the 2010-2011 Panini Certified. I'll do a little quick recap. I'll let you know what's up for trade. First of all, we have a Michael Backlund Mirror Blue, numbered 19 of 100. A Freshman Signatures of Jared Cohen, numbered 141 out of 250. Another Freshman Signatures of Zach Hamill, numbered 791 of 1299. The Cohen is the mirror red as well. A Certified Potential of Matt Duchene, numbered 213 of 250. Mirror Red Immortals of Pat LaFontaine, numbered 206 of 250. A Throwback Threads of Guy Lafleur, numbered 144 of 500. For jerseys, we got a dual shirt off my back of Ryan Getzlaf and Corey Perry. Both just plain white swatches, numbered 31 of 250. And I already had a collision course, the Colton Orr collision course out of 500. That's already gone. So that was one of the other hits. And then I guess the hit of the box was a Ilya Kovalchuk Fabric of the Game, 2 black swatches, numbered 15 out of 25. So if you're interested, I'm looking for Mike Richards, Claude Giroux, current Flyers stuff, or whatever. Just if you're interested, let me know what you got, and I'll get back to you. Alright, thanks.